Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what returning all the user-defined function in database. So at here I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So let's write the query to return all user-defined function in our database. So at here first I'm going to use at this point select and here selecting name. So here let's give name 1. So name 1 is the alias of name and hereafter comma, and at this point going to write a schema name. So you can find a schema name and here inside bracket going to write schema schema underscore id and here get the alias schm. Now here after type you can find at here type or desc and next you can write create underscore date and here next write modified underscore date and hereafter let's modify date and hereafter from the table from sys dot. So sys dot you can find object and hereafter where clause going to use where. So type or desc. So type desc and you're going to use like operator and single quote here percent and here going to use b percent b percent. Now if you execute this query, so see at here I'm getting on at here user defined function in database. So this is the name or sys calls sys and here this is the schema and here time DSC here created and modified it. So it comes under master database. Now you can change the database also. So let's give Adam and execute that. So it comes a user defined function in Adam database. So here you can find the name. So here the thing is type DESC and here B. So suppose I already discussed about the like operator. So like operator here I've given the B. So B comes under type underscore DSC table. So that here it's all returning this all values. Suppose if you give add here B1. Now if you execute, so it shows null. So if you remove 1, so here you get this output. Now if you give add here B here after add, so BM, now you get the output or this all. So tagged is like here this match. So match with beer here, it's a returning some output. Now if you give add here like T, so this not match, so no any output here, it's the displaying. So here it must be match some values. So if the condition is satisfied, then that returns here the values. So this returns user defined function in the database. So add your name schema. Yeah, this is the matching things. Yeah. So add here it's all displaying add here user defined user created this things like object created ppt emp employees. Yeah, it's created. Now suppose if I give add here sys, so here if you give add here s sys, now if you execute, so here it's displaying total numbers of rows 53. Now if you give add here s only, now check, so the same output Now here after I'm going to write at this point, uh, I'm just going to do checking some things. So see at here I'm going to use at here user. Okay, so we are going to use us. Now execute that. So see at here only user level it's a display. So according to matching condition it returns the values. So here all objects returning all objects user defined function. So here it's returning in the database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week.